Let's make the crispiest golden crunchy potatoes in the Ninja Crispi air fryer. And I'll give you the secret to getting that fluffy interior with the ultimate crunch. Let's get started. We're starting with one large russet potato and we're leaving the skin on. Cut the potato lengthwise into thirds, then chop into large 1-inch chunks. Fun fact, potato skins are rich in fiber and potassium, which support gut health and heart health. This is a health-forward recipe, so we'll keep the good stuff on. Plus, the skin adds an extra layer of irresistible crunch. Now carefully add the potatoes to about 8 cups of boiling water. I have been making potatoes in the Ninja Crispi air fryer for about 8 months now, and parboiling is the secret. It gives you maximum crunch with minimal oil. Now add a generous pinch of salt to the boiling water. This seasons the potatoes from the inside out. Give them a stir and boil for 7 minutes. To check doneness, poke one with a knife. It should slide in easily but still hold its shape. Drain the potatoes and place them back into the pot or a large mixing bowl. Here's a little health hack. Chilling your cooked potatoes overnight helps form resistant starch, which is great for your gut and blood sugar. A quick tip is to cook a big batch, store them in the fridge, and then air fry them whenever you're ready so you have crispy potatoes anytime. Next, drizzle the potatoes with about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil, season with kosher salt, and optional add-ins here are onion granules, garlic granules, or even taco seasoning. So give everything a good toss so each piece is evenly coated, and pour the potatoes into the Ninja Crispi using the 4-quart container with the crisper rack in place. Give it a gentle shake so they spread evenly, and place the power pot on top and cook on the air fry setting for 10 minutes. Open the lid, add 1 light drizzle of oil, toss, then air fry for another 10 minutes. While those finish cooking, let's prep a simple garnish and dip. We finely chop fresh parsley for some color and a really refreshing finish. And for the dip, combine 1/3 cup of sour cream with about 1 tablespoon of sriracha or your favorite hot sauce. It's a simple creamy dip with just the right kick. Now back to the potatoes. Listen to that crunch as I toss them. You can hear how crispy they are. You can serve them in breakfast tacos, alongside a juicy steak or chicken, or with some simple steamed broccoli for a wholesome meal. And look at this, crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Now transfer the potatoes to a serving plate and finish them with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a pinch of kosher salt. I also like to add freshly grated Parmesan for a nice touch. Totally optional, but so delicious. Now for the taste test. Let's dip the potato in the spicy creamy dip. Yep, these are absolutely incredible and the best way to make air fryer potatoes. These Ninja Crispi potatoes are crunchy, light, and healthier than restaurant potatoes. We're using heart-healthy oils so you can feel good with every bite. So if you'd like to give this a try, I'd love to hear what you think. And if you'd like to watch more, click here for another video. And if you enjoyed my content, I'd really appreciate it if you'd leave a comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.